Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a Christmas stocking with a cute panda and a cat toy? Well, let's get started. And these are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the head of the panda. Okay, and we'll draw 2 arches for the ears. Okay, and for the arms, so just draw a curved line and then even on the other side. Okay, and then we're just going to join it just like that. Okay, so we're gonna make it look like the panda, or the toy panda, is right in the stocking, and this is the fur of the stocking, so we're gonna just do some little zigzags here. Okay, and then we'll continue it here. All right, and I'm going to continue it here, and then the other toy, it can be a cat. So I'm going to just draw a line across, 2 points, like a little triangle here, points of a triangle, and then let's just bring it all the way around to join the other ear. And the cat's arms can also be curled just like that, and then the other one just like that. And then let's just close up here the little stocking. Okay, all right, so now let's draw the bottom part of the stocking. So this is really easy, just one line down all the way, and let's curl it and then bring it up around, and then let's just join it up here. Okay, all right, so we can add sort of like a curved line here and in the front of our stocking. Okay, now we could also have like a little, just to add some decorations, a line across and a line across here. Okay, oh, and let's join the little fur there where the cat is. Okay, I'm also going to use a thin Sharpie for the details. So we can have, let's go back to our panda. So we're gonna draw 2 oval circles, just like that, okay? And I'm just gonna try to even it out here. Okay, and then in the middle, we'll draw a little circle here, and then we'll shade it in black. The nose, a little squiggly line, bring it down, and then sort of like a backwards J. Okay, and for the cat, we'll just draw 2 circles on the inside. Okay, and then we can just shade in a little pupil here. The little nose, a little upside down triangle, and again backwards J, and we could add little whiskers. And then here just a little triangle here, 2 triangles where the ears are. And now for the details here, I think I'm gonna just decorate it in little Christmas trees. Okay, but you can do little stars if you like, whatever you like. You can even write the name of the person that you'd like to give this drawing to. Okay. And so with trees, it's just like diagonal lines, a point, diagonal point, and then you just join it and then just draw the little trunk, little rectangles there. Okay. So now with the panda, I'm going to just shade around the eyes here with my black Sharpie. And I'm going to bring this all the way up. And the arms here, I'm going to shade it black. But the rest I'm going to leave white. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start coloring the stocking. I like to use pencil crayons. You can use markers if you like. And I'll just share a little bit of some facts about how the stockings originated. From the legend of Saint Nicholas, who secretly dropped gold coins into stockings that were hung by a fireplace. It was in a poor man's house, who he actually was hanging the stockings just to dry. But St. Nicholas was aware that he was worried about his daughters. Okay, so St. Nicholas put gold coins into these stockings to help his daughters. Okay, so that's how the tradition of hanging stockings for small gifts, like toys, coins, and even fruit, is usually done on Christmas Eve. Okay, and there was also a tradition, if children misbehaved, coal was left in the stockings. That's in some cultures, okay? So make sure you are not naughty. I'm also going to color in, I'm going to use the Christmas colors, so green here. You can use whatever colors you like. There's all kinds of different stockings with different patterns, decorations. Okay. And for my little trees here, I'm going to use green. And I'm going to use yellow here. And then I'm going to also color our little toy cat. And I'm going to use brown. So it's fun to hang little stockings by the fireplace. You can place even like candy canes, little small toys, and it looks really pretty next to the Christmas tree too. All right, okay, so here's our stocking. I have a cute little joke to share with you before I go. And how does a Christmas stocking end a phone call? It hangs up. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.